Welcome to channel. Pair of straight lines. What is meant by pair of straight lines? Simple. Pair is nothing but two straight lines. That's all. Two straight lines means what? Ax plus by plus c equals 0 is a straight line. Okay. But take two lines L1 and L2 or AB or XY, whatever it is, LM, whatever it is. But combination of these two straight lines or product of these two straight lines is called pair of straight lines of second degree. You know about order and degree, already told in last classes. So what is order, what is degree? But we want now degree. This second degree equation, pair of straight lines containing second degree equation, which is the product of two lines, that is L1 and L2. Okay, the straight line format, the form of straight line is nothing but ax plus by plus c equals 0. But here two lines are there, that is why you are taking a1x plus by plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. That's all. Okay, see here, let L1 and L2 be two straight lines. There are two straight lines are there. You know what is the form of straight line means? See here, for example, L1 equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is line L1. Take another line L2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Okay. These are two straight lines. The equations L1 and L2 can be expressed together by an equation of degree higher than 1. Means what? Here degree is 1. Yes. But whenever we are comparing, whenever we are combining these two straight lines, at that time you can get second degree equation. Why? Because x into x, x square. Yes. Y into y, y square. Remaining all are xy. Okay. So highest exponent is called degree. You know that. So this second degree equation, combination of L1 and L2. The product of L1 and L2 represents the pair of straight lines. That's all. Product means what? L1 into L2. That means L1 into L2 equals 0. This is pair of straight lines. That's all. Simple logic. L1 into L2 equals 0. That is called the pair of straight lines. Means what? Pair means two. Straight line means, you know, those are linear. Those are linear. What is linear? You know that. Those are lines. What difference between lines and linear? So there are so many differences are there among these. I will tell in future classes. So now we are taking two straight lines. Those are linear. And this is L1, this is L2. Whenever product is 0, that is second degree equation. That is called pair of straight lines. Okay. Let x1, y1 be a point on L1. Means what? Suppose substitute this point means x1, y1 on that equation, then it comes to 0. Yes or not? So that is straight line equation. So if point on L1, that satisfies L1 equals to 0. Yes or not? Similar manner, x1, y1 is a point and L2 also. It satisfies L2 equals to 0. That is the condition. If P of x1, y1 lies either on L1 or on L2, means what? Either L1 or L2 means which lies either in L1 or in L2. That means if we substitute the value of x1, y1 in the equation, L1 gets to 0. Also, the equation L2 gets to 0. At that time only which satisfies L1 equals L1 into L2 equals 0. That is called a pair of straight lines. Equation of pair of straight lines. Okay, simple. Take some line L1. A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals 0. This is L1. Take L2. A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. A product A1x plus B1y plus C1 into A2x plus B2y plus C2. This is the product of A1x into A2x. A1 A2 x square. Next, B1 B2 y square. Yes, this second degree equation. Okay. A1 C2 plus A2 C1. This is x plus next y. B1 C2 plus B2 C1 y plus constant C1 C equals to 0. So this is second degree equation. X square xy x y constant. This is called pair of equation of a pair of straight lines. This is very important, but there are so many different categories are there. Those are passing through origin, some passing through some other points. Okay, different points, different directions. Okay, this is some introduction about pair of straight lines. So I already told in last classes the problem belongs to this pair of straight lines. So this is very important. Nothing but product of two straight lines is called pair of straight lines. Whenever it possesses some point xy or ab or this, which can satisfy that point. So suppose L1 is equal to 0, L2 equal to 0. Product of L1 L2 also 0. That is pair of straight lines. Okay guys, practice these problems. These are very important. Thanks for watching. Like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.